Yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh my god! Woo! Okay.
God. What?
The snow scraper? Oh, there it is. Can you hear me?
You wanna put your tongue here? Ah no, it's not that frozen.
No.
I've seen that movie. You remember?
Yeah. You have your card.
Fuck! Yeah, I do have.
What?
Yeah, that's true. I'm gonna try sliding this. I don't know.
Ready?
I don't even know how.
Let's just try it. Let's just try. So get him.
Do you mind if I use it? I don't know how it's lighter, but I'm gonna try anyway.
Here he goes. We're gonna try the cardboard out.
Run and jump into it.
What's your technique? Yeah, there you go. Go for it.
What is easier, like there or here? Like you have like here.
You had most success on this.
I'm gonna try this.
It might be a little different with our cardboard.
All
Alright, here we go.
right, I'm gonna get like some more speed.
We're-
Might end up like falling. And
Let's just see if the
It's gonna be
cardboard
very
works. Let's just see if the cardboard works. No, you gotta go down the slide. The part.
Wait. I'm gonna just keep trying.
Okay.
I wish it was like deepest. Where's? I think over there is deep.
Just try it. Go right there. There she goes. There she goes. Wow, that's really great. We forgot to get sleds. I don't know what we were thinking. Yay! All right. Hold on. All right. It's recording.
I mean from the side.
Okay.
All right. Third try. Okay. Here we go.
Oh, you gotta go down the one they've already made.
Just right there.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it right there, and you run with this in the side, and then you just jump
Okay.
and just slide with your stomach.
Okay. Here we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Just do it slow. You don't have to like commit. That has to be in your side.
What the fuck?
It has to be in your side.
Push me. That was so cold.
Oh. Oh my god. I almost fell.
Alright, Pete. Let's go back and get the skateboard. Okay. I'm gonna go for the stomach.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh my god! Woo! Okay. Like I can do anything.
That was cool.
Yeah,
What? This is really good.
You go. I'll record you from down here.
Okay.
Yep. There's a car coming. Just kidding.
Bueno, ahí estamos volviendo a la casa. Probamos tirarnos un poco, un par de veces, pero está helado y es como la lluvia, la nieve.
Did you take a video of her video's mom?